This is a 10 kV box-type substation has been built in an industrial park. From the above picture, it can be seen that the substation contains a dry-type transformer with a capacity of 1,600 kV. Arc flash protection covers the 10 kV compartment, transformer compartment, and LV distribution compartment in the substation. In the 10 kV section, install arc flash sensors in the busbar, circuit breaker, and cable compartments of the switchgear, and mount the arc flash relay on the busbar compartment panel. Pressure sensors in cable compartment of 10 kV outgoing switchgear. Smoke sensors in high voltage room. Arc flash sensors on HV bushings incoming and near LV outgoing terminal wall or cabinet of the transformer. Smoke sensor on transformer compartment ceiling real-time smoke monitoring. Pressure sensor in transformer room compartment pressure difference. Install smoke sensors in the low voltage compartment and arc flash sensors in the busbar compartment of the LV switchgear. The arc flash protection device collects protection currents from the high voltage incoming cabinet, high voltage outgoing cabinet, and low voltage incoming cabinet as the current criterion for arc flash protection. Arc flash protection outputs trip signals to the high voltage incoming cabinet, high voltage outgoing cabinet, and low voltage incoming cabinet. When arc flash occurs in the busbar compartment of the high voltage incoming and outgoing switchgear. At the same time, the overcurrent dual criteria for the high voltage incoming cabinet are met, triggering a trip of the high voltage incoming line panel. When an arc fault occurs in the circuit breaker compartment, cable compartment, or transformer compartment of a high voltage switchgear, and the overcurrent dual criteria for the high voltage outgoing switchgear are met, the high voltage outgoing switchgear will trip. When an arc fault occurs in the low voltage busbar compartment, and the overcurrent double criterion condition is met in the low voltage incoming feeder panel, the low voltage incoming feeder panel will trip. When the smoke sensor detects abnormal smoke concentration in the high voltage compartment, transformer compartment, and low voltage compartment, and when the pressure sensor detects abnormal pressure in the transformer compartment, the arc flash protection device will issue a warning signal. When issuing the trip command, the arc protection device also starts auxiliary equipment like the ventilation system to rapidly remove hot air and smoke from the substation. If a fire extinguishing system is installed, the arc flash protection relay will activate the fire extinguishing system to promptly extinguish any potential fire. At the same time, the arc fault signal is uploaded to the power monitoring system so that management personnel can understand the fault status of the transformer in real time and arrange for maintenance personnel to carry out repairs promptly. Blue J Arc Flash Protection System can minimize the duration of arc flash faults within 10 ms, thereby reducing the damage caused by the fault. This product can be widely used in various types of prefabricated substations.